Okay, assalamualaikum badungal kontongal bismillah once again special kachado jam famatana la ñu wadal duma ne war bulol le mutata anin cool siara duma ni but be me special audio dantane na la drong me ya lonko one of them will be the station officer me ya lonko be belingara birin tu moment na problème do sudano je kido do fayda no yemo bun kido ko yemo bun kido la bot station officer ngi na defin la ko ñu clarify anin npp la masi bendin drong ye bay dula fanato luwasi jobali al ko don la malo warta bare be du nawdo anum fana audio do fana sono kenno do me yalon ko aya fang fale no so audio fana be jan boblo bare bi mbadad la damen drum first mba start la même fond la follow bare wo man jam fa mu sungo do ti me yalon ko jolonta kolon kono kambe say kudol je ni nyamol je to believe la so kolon ta necessary lingi ko soko belam bara jolonda kono dingolo anda dingatal so mbo nat la nanne nobody je même fo motivate ba ke bi ka findal kan wala keta nawek la kodi because nawek sunyaro men de kasabino la wala be nawek so mbo audio nyi mbo open gambe investigation o men ke je ya update ka ko la mbo nat la nya because na programme o tatul men ka programme follow ba kalam tala ko nga fonu njane ko nawek conflict of interest bi je la ka bring barosi ko do mol ka to signal le and still now yenyu men kije we were not able to pinpoint it but na fajane ko nga kibaro soto ko nawek la vendo yewolta ya ila yemen appoint as md manson ka to funa ko mo fango nga fol don ko ila nyaton ko ngol don go nawek men mo la nyaton ko design den ko la vendo la no how true is that so but ngaje alhamdulillah ñu online platform model je fo setan do ye even though mainstream media sometimes corruption or yes you can accuse them but sometimes when ika ila priority li buka understand ika focus kudul kame alon ko isa fodal wol buka ke accountability quality na hanarum fanko may buka taw be man ko may ka tawle but sometimes when isa ka jibe ko ila new soul to kudul kata down ni buka tara top of their priorities wolka ka ko yal because ni na wek lañu problème o jibe amalo warta baga beduna je inshallah mbo nat la but first men kala 1 minute 20 seconds audio video bi yalon ko kedde ngo jolon da kolon kono
mbola kam hatta mbedina ñino la naba ma bankal mo da ino lo de jam boyla
ya hayne kata
mo da mo ganna de jam suñoro la de mbedina ñino la na pay ko hay no la de ñana gaso ni
ko jandu ko essentiel bi ganna ban pour point to
no amanga comme essentiel bi la mo faru comme essentiel bi da ndemena ndeten te bi da ñino la pour mo gaso la kala men ko na wala mo la ni na pay ko la what am going to do suñaro la de
ko MP bilo fo man ke suñaro de e tan bilo mina ko tele tamodi ba wandi ko da ko le tele tamodi bilo ni tele tamodi ba suña
to na to nan ko tanto
wala suñaro ba bilo han bilo fo mu suñaro
la wala na silo de ko da mo na de tiñaro
ila silo man bete ya
no ni man na jan tiñaro ni na to dula to tiñaro
ali samara ne mundi
dan police wol waran fa service wol be funtin la jan
sa mo dal ali samara je yana yo mundi
ibina le kany wol man na do ko kuma folo be fentol be
dolte bonni
be relief aha ifon ya tra ya di
non de da fentino la jan
ibin dano da mi man funtin wo ngai ibin dano da mi man funtin wo
yo alama fitindi nya fana sono yala to be very frank with you menu be lo nga kundo ten ay jama bije kumal be kumo self explanatory believe ta ko atata menaje ma ngani man sene but comme ka establish donc as a matter of fact amam proof ko sunnamu but comme itule wala passif anata amira otherwise let so comme ko fo mo le ron ay sene so no baraje I think we just go straight comme na fa nyamen menyum part exclude on Facebook wala mo me yalla do sano la diamot ay very bold claims la which are also self explanatory so ane man jare ngaw fana analysis body nga double ya fandante mo le do nga tambi wodo fana
kayda woni neddo make ta area council chairman do woni area council chairman ada manno moti kayda woni neddo make ta gofono ti banko ay woni ko do gofono andi ada manno moti kayda woni neddo make ta national assembly kayda woni ko ganna woni ada manno moti kayda woni neddo make ta sefoti banko woni sefe leji fota club de atlanta o fayto fota fu foko kaje ti wodo mbafre ko chief o yamane chief mede nyonje moyani wanama kado kombo iude kombo fokan na kifadoto hana ko fadoto ye palaso me mara palasi mo ke nanguda ya mara tambe de tambe mo wodo chief ma fele ko tamia nani kuma kangu ya lonko kuma kangu ya lonko ala mo andura wala mo mamma kande me fuja ko woni mamma kande ko hali do ko mamma kande wi akoyta sefo wi an sef akala fonyo wi hendu mako goman kuita kan du hejane sefo mara men jaha ko jakiri kanko sefo man wudi sefo imani sefo man tadla sefo yaade dula sefo bala bungo sefo no kasuru mako mamma kande man sino mamma kande de wajo fani mboro tata ha o dogi wayade jija on dogi nimo atare ko man tadla on tuma wani yawde dula woto mo fennati ben bala fa wa dum ko hunde mo anduda fay do dum no wari ban woto mbafala chief ya be ina chief di hande na atare mamma ko ma fayta sitay mamma haray ma hara billahi oyi o hudini billahi wallahi tallahi italla barakobe mamma nyaato andu italla barakobe mamma nyaato andu italla haajobe mamma nyaato o chief barki makko woni yeso mamma ko chief buri susule mamma yemme mara bankola administration nyin kono ama mara ko maruda nder leydi nini sengo laamu mamma kande marando ikata député oti awoni député akata député oti awoni député ikata gofonoti awoni gofono amanga gofono wonan gofono ikata sefoti awoni sefu amanga sefu wonan sefu ikata chairman awoni chairman amanga chairman wonan chairman woto chief power yesamako andu makko mo meydandil andu hala ko hollira do Sara Bojo nabe alsal hakilo to GDC gaten hakili GDC alal hakilo to GDC aten hakili GDC nabe GDC kada partiolity GDC ko parti mo wonna niaje ko abe sembo sobe kannun ci mara banko kanca hay on mo heba no dole nder ci mara do alsalon ko andonde timba business wala yata hari on ko timba business wonno do timba fadala GDC fay timba mai GDC mai way timba fadala GDC fata timba mai GDC mai wato wadin ka fada biya moko wato hala mako wala nyinde takata ke nyinte menna wate ke to ni no la way wato bebe fala GDC ne ko hala da GDC baka sabali be GDC ka sabal ko GDC wonno saenten a joni ni doka sabali mamanta si doka sabali mimne ni da beke nyatlin doka sabali le fof gite mabe ko doka sabali be dara sabal la duwale jabi ta dita la duwa man jabi dok yeta jumo de da duwa ni hey je doka sabal ko di ko di jabi si kambe toji ni jabal be akayo juma do be ara be jabi bi kono hande lafta me ibutanda jimaran ko fana hollide jimaran nabe president baro be da jimara president baro jimaro yin abulude jimara ko jimaro jimina harje on nati ne jimara o atari men do harje jimara fa kabrin to men na president baro nati wala nyindi ko anada le purka kairo nati jimaran ko gile president baro alla wakimbo anti pele be woni president wadi jamme nder jimara kabrin sa fara man sinate jamano gila sa fara man sinate mako jimara be man sakunda ko jimara no jogi lam sa dawde kayra ba jawara jimara be man sakunda jimara no lam ya jamme jimara be man sakunda jimara no ba lam ala taala nan tol fon jodi la kaade kam so bodija alla ari yobde jimara nabe addadoji yitina do president jimara dil ka wuri no ka fa koy dal man lef wala la fa kudol be jimara imma be nabe fala kanu ko wondu godo be fala bare meme dallo monda ko me hallata be imbe ba fa nyoma ko ba mura man siyo fana mbayi bara man kun sodo alimba kunga andi no mbewa kala mbewa mo andura wala lajo wata riwde je toji surtout nafa hore makko ala nyim polo kilim je nyim polo me polo goto ko men dari ley makko do nyim polo jude fo yi polo aliyalo ne nyim polo kilim te kere andi o polo goto ko jelu nyim polo kilim polo goto men si ada $10,000 o buri guluji $100 nyim polo kilim o polo goto polo kilim polo goto mamma nana kope mamma e fiji makko di GDC nana kope GDC fiji makko di polo kilim na price goto price sama sita e bang ay duli nitande nata yesa ndo elaka ha dubi di dara ama nyim price wata hebdo price o polo goto nana nyim polo jumbe se ndari di poliji membitala mane million wuli keme woro anin taworo wala anin lubi o boli kilimbe jarlan wala o pol goto mo yanda guluji temede jego e deje ko faydum o pol goto ko dum jarata jimara do sanje
yo badi on alama jabo da diala marchiro du sana yo kuma jamale fodo to $10,000 polo tumando bande ngal ko ning polo dam wolti askeno gambia te keno la banko de melan ko be kron sutno la anytime soon because on ko de melan ko da jawata bake e bari me mengala sain mbe review ni nekala mbe news review ni do man din nekala because I selected specific paragraphs me alan ko left ka wala nad na jang with regards to những kis roma ngena avec la carola before ngana audio ni do but it's very very important please du ko ngal dani hana ron ko momo be nyim poso no da malta la ya ala kibaro ni janjang because ni ajibe men keda jang a lot of things nta fono la in one. I don't know if I have to do paralyze of course article ni fana jam fatale but ala relevant section comme nga fanya men wrong mbol ton ala sorry relevant paragraphs mbole nat la nan jang pour kanyulu kaytan dal ko nawe panchankala ne bor panchankala ate barakala asisa nyato mukko okay from one of the paragraphs Open Gambia quoting Open Gambia here, it says furthermore on the substantive evidence of conflict of interest the OG, that is Open Gambia, is privy to facts provided by NAWEC insiders about invoices and contracts worth millions of dollars involving the Doku Group, a company partly owned by Gallo Sedi, the managing director of NAWEC, relating to a contract Doku Group had with NAWEC before Gallo assumed the role of managing director. Interestingly, these contracts were given to Doku Group under the supervision of Gallo's wife, Marlene Maria Roberts Sedi, the director of projects for water and sewage. Ngamira ngala dia momo lanu under NAWEC la fenkoro press conference doro. So atafana mo NAWEC nyatom quality obviously. Okay, let's continue. How can Marlene Sedi protect the interest of NAWEC as the director of the water and sewage service and insulate herself from conflict of interest and corruption if her husband, now managing director of NAWEC, was the CEO of Doku Group, whose main client is NAWEC? $11. In a NAWEC business relationship with him. Okay, but just before we go any further, to make it clear, that's it. That's the only explanation as to what Nyamato Yamejang, that's the only explanation to justify it. Okay. It went Open Gambia went on to say, we are made to understand that NAWEC is the only substantive client of Doku Group, as over 90% of Doku's revenue comes from contracts awarded by NAWEC. And the wife of the MD, Gallo Sedi, had a hand in majority of the contracts awarded. Our NAWEC insiders highlighted a particular case of conflict of interest when managing director Sedi's wife influenced the cancellation of a contract of a project to relocate water services granted to military engineering corps. And she ensured that the contract was awarded to his husband's company, the Doku Group. She attended all the meetings that led to the cancellation of the contract. So your contract of Buzidola in Arayadi Fongola. During the cancellation process, they oversaw everything. Galona Lamuso. Don't even mention name here. Moflola. Maybe that Murfoko Fori. It all Moflola Kunyungon. But so this guy, there's no merry-go-around could be. This guy should be investigated, taken to court for this. Literally. And the more you dig, the more you find out, more mess in this case. Also, Open Gambia went on to say, we received evidence of a petition letter against NAWEC sent by Gallo Sedi on behalf of his company, Doku Group. He petitioned NAWEC. Okay? The Doku Group wrote to the office of the Ombudsman dated January 2024. Just 6-7 months ago. Okay? The complainant stated that he was among the bidders for expressing interest in a joint venture with a Saudi construction firm to construct a new water supply system funded by the OIC. Okay, then what happened? The petition was sent a few months before Gallo Sedi was appointed managing director of NAWEC, and the case was still ongoing when he became the managing director of NAWEC, against whom he filed a grievance. We have seen the letter written by the Ombudsman dated April 2024 and continue to hear about the petition proceedings addressed to the managing director of NAWEC. who has now become both the litigator and the defendant. How can MD Sedi reconcile his conflict of interest in this case? So, before he became the managing director, Janaka became managing director, because obviously those who are fluent in English already understand what is going on here. Janaka managing director, I complain also against NAWEC, I petition at the office of the ombudsman, and at our process of caring, Janne process of Banayata appoint back as the managing director of NAWEC. So, Ning ombudsman can NAWEC have a letter of cartel address. Ika kinatle. Ika lego. Doku group la complain on media. It doesn't make any sense. Doku group, it'll time you are a shareholder in Doku group. Wala complain of the office of the ombudsman. They have a grievance against NAWEC. New ombudsman can NAWEC about justice in Doku group temo kisisi. They are writing directly to the owner instead of to no Gambia. Nyise keno Gambia damal. Ha nyamato ya Gambia dra kunda woldo. Nyita kuna bangu doldo. I tell you no lie. Okay, Open Gambia went on to say, in their letter to NAWEC office, the ombudsman invited members of NAWEC Contracts Committee that had decided on the OIC water project to discuss the matter. Minutes of the tender meeting were also requested. The meeting was scheduled for 10 a.m. on Wednesday, 24th April 2024 at the ombudsman's office. It's shocking that despite the pending case before the Ombudsman's office, MD Sedi accepted the appointment as MD of NAWEC when he was already engaged in a dispute with NAWEC for not getting awarded the OIC contract. Why did he accept being appointed managing director of NAWEC before settling the dispute lodged at the Ombudsman's office? Open Gambia asked. Does he not realize the conflict of interest he placed himself in with the ongoing dispute as now the managing director? How would the staff members who took the decision feel knowing that their managing director has previously filed a grievance against them? Our NAWEC insiders, according to Open Gambia, our NAWEC insiders allege, which Open Gambia confirms to be accurate, that managing director said he has already started victimizing procurement and contract committee members whom he perceived to have challenged or denied his company contracts. He fired two victims, Mr. Mustafa Choi, the Director of Corporate Service, and Mr. Kande Sambu, the Senior Procurement Manager, who was sacked last week. So it looks like Kande, the Senior Procurement Manager, was sacked last week, and also the Director of Corporate Services, Mr. Mustafa Choi, were fired by this very, very, very crazy man. This is madness. Gambia, let's not play around here. This is madness. Proceedings between official proceedings, just because you become director, you fire them like you own the country. This guy, like I said, jealous. This guy should be explaining himself before a judge. He should not be sitting in any office as managing director. This madness can only happen in Gambia, guys. Conflict of interest, just because you become managing director, you started going after people. Who are you? And look, guys, it takes 12 years to get a mayor high school certificate, 3 to 4 years to get a degree, several years work experience. He decided one day he's going to fire you because Akabe mina dalolto data damendo. Yeah, stop. Because he has power today, he's going to fire you. It's very hurtful. Adimi batale. I don't know any of these people, to be very frank with you. I have no imagination. I cannot even imagine how they look like, or where they are from or whatever. But just imagine this. These are senior officials. They went through some formal education, tertiary, higher education. How can you justify just because of one single contract? That was Gala should not even Gala should be the last person to even suggest those people to be fired. It should be investigated by a third-party institution, at least, or committee, or commission. It should not be this guy. He should see it ethically, morally. He's conflicted. He cannot. But how can MD Sedi justify corporate accountability, avoid corruption, and avoid conflicts of interest if Doku Group, his company, is a principal service provider to NAWEC, working on projects for which his wife was the director? He went on to accept a position as managing director of NAWEC. At the same time, his wife continues to serve as the director of projects of water and sewage service. contracting with his private company, which remains a principal contractor of NAWEC. So you will be found award can contract. Yeah, understand. Wala nakala NAWEC ta barakala. NAWEC will never go far. This silly this humongous silly. This is blatant. Nena mambango ya mem complicit da ko kamya. Billahi wallahi ta'ala game no ka chahan. Ndol bu chahan la lelti billahi wallahi ta'ala. This can only happen in a crazy country. A crazy country, a country led by a total lunatic. Billahi wallahi ta'ala. How can this happen in a country? Mulka sike mi ka foko everything is going fine. So Open Gambia went on to say, allowing the problematic situation of conflict of interest to prevail with a husband and wife entrusted with the position of authority, which has the potential of heightened corruption, has further exposed a failure of governance of the Barrow administration. The president, the leader of the executive, is mandated to appoint the managing director, the board chairman, and the line minister of energy, who support and supervise the SOE. They all failed in their oversight duty by allowing this situation to develop. They all failed. This is not just on Barrow. Of course, he's the principal Malum Bafla Nyadi Kalabante here. Barrow nyimbe kalamutale. Alankana nyone ne. Ngalon ko modol kala fika Barrow portray as a hinante. Barrow manke hinante. Barrow la nyimu tilimbali alti. Barrow yin lonne. Barrow can you imagine somebody does this to your brother? Can you imagine these people have a family to feed? They have responsibility. Just because you did your duty, a lunatic, a corrupt person decided he's going to get you relieve you of your duties. No, the more you read this case, the more you become angry. Anyway, let me just go to the station officer of Wellingara. Talking about Bundur Kuamengira Wellingara police station. But in case is something that I think Gambians should be very careful about. Sifa Jamale Bekerem Banko and in the Banko Sambala Nyado. These are some of these people are the technocrats. Many banko mutaka, banko sambaka. Domani umembe together, nyulel ba mutaka. Alke baroka ka terol apoy na kana ke bay. Aterol me yanko beno sunya rola banta ngalon ko sungol le mudi. Molbe kono to ba try ke preclude from milking us. These are the people who preclude certain losses for the Gambian people. Okay, so let's look at Wellingara police station lanya eso.
Lahari nyami nga mukake kilinti. So nying audio meya sennang pisulo nying woso totale. Bari audio nying kumo men fota je amantara lari wo nyama. Nyendindi ngo amafo abala tichale bunna wo manke kumati men sotota. Nyimuddindi nguleti sanji kononto Sanji 9 years old boy long. Nyimmawo hakilo fanso do kafo ko bato ngata kidota ngata na teacher bung fo teacher nyi a wiketale kumol kafo nyaminna wo man soto nga dindi yakuwolo ne don nyin kido a fama mutamalalde akata Europe akana atele ni nyin kido nata a mabo ala bungo kono. So dindiwul nyung yalong dindiwul watidol isoptale ikumpata bake ngalo wunyin ndiro kono atetata ben nyin pistulo fe ay nuko abama ate wokala school bago kono ani wole tata karambumoto so ate ngamira ni dindiwo dangoje ibalona ko kakumo men fo jang wole sotota attending at dindi nyo ite lebe class killing ibe table killing so atebe wole fintindi kanum pour ka yitandi wala comme ya mira toy fenkola so atemalo non kesewol be o fenkotole ha so anyanta ka dami ma fa ngamalo so ngalong ate benta wo fere rek do nyi kumata pa teacher fambe dami aning nyilbe dami fang there is a distance bayri aketan telela aerial to del follow futataji so foko na seneyande do landa nyin journalist all sometimes fo ngan hakilo to don mol nyin ikanan kanyaminna ay dindigo ñi memma ama barma fang aya bruce le dron comme te keso la kando ñi wole dindigo ñi ma telenga samba lopitano to ya jube ya discharge wati killing bari kibaro ñi to janga moy ko dindigo ñi ya landi lopital ya admit hospital o banke kuma soto rengoti it's not true aman soto dindigo ñi felenti jang ha ana bama ana bama lom bari alo muso ke o tamata muso na la dindol be suwo kono hamga bama ta be lonna wole keta yo defintita le drom pour ka kono to dia di drom pour ka hakilol sabatindi mol ñing fota ñamin na ñim forum o kono ñim audio to amman soto wonyade ha bari même mo drom mbesing hakilol tu na dindingol to no tiñaar fengol wol mbe mabola daming adu nyantake mabo nyaming akuma yatale because no hale dañ sob yo ki hale bu ndaw la no amul main bobu nonu sax pour wara dem jël fetel dem di feteli ticam lolu amut no so dañoo bay xel rek dañoo bay xel waaw yaay bi sax nekani dafa biir koku anytime mun na wosin sax biñ ko waxe sax mom dafa tiit beñu yóbbu ko lopitaan fogné sax dina wosin limay wax ni luma oor la si suma loxo la nekka man Mr. C si suma loxo la nekka xamna ko limay wax ni so way ni ma déggé kibaar yi lolu mom amut lolu mom dafa jéguéwu sax lolu sax dañoo bay xel nak ñun ñi nga xamné dañoo déglu suñ journaliste yi ni da nga gis journaliste yi ni sax pour suñ place fuñ nekka pour ñu jéma find out sax dédit téléphone la ñoo lifin rek ñu laaj benn waaji fale rek léegi naa lii moo xew nangam rek mu binda xam nga du verify sax xam nga professional journalism da nga war a dem to the ground nga seet what is happening naka la ñëwee lan moo ko cause lan moo di motif waaye loolu yëpp amul si lii ma dégg audio bi di sumay ma ne xaaral man tamit ma génn comme que suma kaabilo la suma forum la man tamit ma wax li ma xam si affaire bi moo ma wax loo nii pour ñun yëpp non ñu am kibaar bi daal mu set ñu dalal suñ xel yi loolu amut Gambia egganguñ foofu noonu fi nga xam ne student dina war a dem jëli fetel mu ne ticaam bi dafa wicked dafa dem rëy ticaam bi non dëgg la li moo demee nii yëpp bàyyi xel la baaxut moo tax dañ war a kip suñ xale yi ñu observe leen ñu observe leen ñu xam naka lañ nekk di doxalee seen things yi waaw so loolu laa amoon pour ma yokka non kaabilo bi ci affaire information bii nii bi ma dégga di circulate nii waaw dalal leen seen xel loolu yëpp amut wax bi nu ñëwee si audio bi non demeewut noonu waaw inshallah.
Okay, Simon Mengele Dron, we'll go to the next audio. We are going NPP. Iko e chari wila biro doldo Busumbala. So ngo audio bana lamon.
Assalamu alaikum. Ala suñ doomi ndey suñ doomi baay UDP génn si lañu pelo na groupe bi jax bu dara yomba nañu dëkk bi ñor rek yëpp ñu wax si mbiri dëkk bi billahi wa laay ma lañu yëgal ne inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un man la Mame Thiam ma wax leen ne bureau bi nekk Busumbala saraxule bi nangu na ko su loxo NPP
saraxule bi nangu na ko
inna lillahi wa inna raji'un ñu ngi koy jaale na bépp waa UDP ak waa PDOIS ak waa ñoom NPP si boppam sax ñu ngi koy jaale ñëpp ak waa Busumbala yëpp seen mag seen nijaay seen yumpaañ seen bàjjen seen place ak noonu nag nangu nañ ko xam na ban boor nga ñu amee ji nag waaw ban boor nga ñu war a dem amee ji moo may jaaxal fi mu ne nii parce que doo leen fay luwaas moo leen ko toog si place bi du lekk du naan waaw nii rek nii la ñuy def ñoom dañoo jël ñuux seen biir poche duñ dundal place duñ dundal bureau loolu moo tax ñu nangu ko seen loxo yow nga ne yow yaa nekk ruling party moo tax nangu nañ ko seen loxo mu ngi noonu ku am looy jaale nag jaale bi ñu ne ñu ngi koy def fële sa Mame Thiam man mi lay yëgal daal waaye jaale bi daal suma loxo lay jaar waaw maa ngi leen di yëgal nag jaale bi suma loxo lay jaar dégg nga waaw baax na bu kenn wax dara ku am loo jaaree rek man xam naa fu ma ko war a yóbbu incha allah baax na jërë ngeen jëf di ñëw ñëpp di sant ñëpp di gërëm ñëpp.
ok ñoo bala sa mi manga don bayan programme sa kana banne sa ken ni do me yalan ko wala ya fam fano ñomi mo do fi naka je Sénégal so mo audio ni play ja del nga programme ñu ala ba woto and just before nga ñu audio ñu na ka mol dani ron du ko ngal dani kibaro sa report no natal do bi mo sa al dani ken ni woni me ya fam fay ba natal o si ala dron was very graphic al kana okay alin kakarin sea isa kibar comme ñu audio bete nyame of course ñu fa la ñu audio it was accompanied by Natalo nying but instead I would rather not see it malef kaje ana ngalongo there are so many people out there member ko malef kaje maybe abadi ngolu investigatolu you know isa kino mo fana ni mo ko kumba balera enough ka ala kaje it's fine it's nothing okay bari maybe yaki inbox on bar ka ke WhatsApp group ol do ay ta viral pro tam su trol dal ka len ka kar woke ngal dani du dal ka kar woke barama ba fa mona be mo bala ku do bije manya ka modol ñim social media platform ra sometimes ndol bije ngam fam kon dok nyama dia mo ka sial graphic man bete bu ka sia social media platform kile je men leftal ba be pare han woni fon le ke men affect ibu ka understand dol bije you add to it adds to their trauma image do bije ni nyaaje fu dunya banen te ñina lal ngal dani men yalan kal be WhatsApp nale picho dol soto hanar non ko yun comme is a concrete evidence ilafta sia dunia biaja a edit demande pour o nyaada ni ngay bo dol bije yewol blow out ya sia bari ya moli pa ya ko bete ya sia ya mo saki santo mo ya fan saki santo ya sia mo bete al karaoke
assalamu alaikum JJ news groups moy Jaye Jallo news groups group 1 be group 40 ono fon calminama on jettama e o subaka o suka mo jiyoton do mbaddo han hore makko kumdo hore makko boggol mo wiye Mamadi Diallo non to jiya dum woni nyomi aljamdu ko hanki waktuji jowi o tawa ladde to ngesa makko to fayda to remata to e kasuje to ko to no tawa mbo humi hore makko boggol kono tawa mayi kono mi lebdi e wonbe aljamdu be gandandama be hen gandi hunde be kolli kamne Mamadi o magata o yarata ataya o yarata njaram te Mamadi ko suka mo gandandama ko suka tinnido mabbe tigi be jakili kadu suka o wada mason yaaji sometimes o wallat ba makko sukajo yaagol mayo to dum woni awgol liddi te sometimes ne o sumtan kering mbo yeya so Mamadi non be mbinde o juuli fajiri hanki nyande talata nder aljamdu on tuma o yeyi subaka law o yeyi dulaɗo gandandama ɗe kasuje to waɗi toto han hoore makko mbo toon fitti dulare koko woyi rem to ladde to ko on tuma ɓe mbi o humi ɓoggol to dow o waɗi hoore makko han ko sukaɓe gandandama sukaɓe mabɓe ɓe gandandama ɓe jano soggoygol nayyi ɗum woni homboygol nayyi ladde to ko ɓen tawi toon Mamadi mbo humi hoore makko ɓoggol te mbo waɗi han hoore makko toon to ko on kibaru min keeɓi ko immori aljamdu ñoomi wona goɗɗo noon haalani min ko tawaɗo toon mbo gandandama mbo tawa e kulle ko on haalani min ɗe kulle no jaari kono ha joni son kettoyima Teranga FM kibaruji amen ɗi waktuji ɗiɗi waktuji nayyi ha waktuji jeego si Allahu lamɗo jaaɓi on nanat kibaru o ko hono yaari toon kono ko laaɓi e oɗo kibaru ɗum woni o suka mo jiyoton ɗo mbo wiye Mamadi Diallo mbo immori ñoomi aljamdu ko makko humi hoore makko ɓoggol koɓe mbiyata ko hangin o maayi toon nder leydi ñoomi saare wiyetendu aljamdu so Allah yurmi yaafo ya rabbi Allah ka to mi lebdi e mabɓe lamdimi ɓe nda ko maggo o fada taw ko kuus o ɓe mbi Mamadi magata o yarata ataya te Mamadi o ɗumani no yarata njaram ne te wona suka janowo kufan te wona pawaɗo ne te o heɓdani neɗɗo probléme tawi heɓdama ne ɓe tinani ñoomi aljamdu na ɓe tinani mbo heɓdi neɗɗo probléme te wona neɗɗo fitina te wona neɗɗo mo gandandama dal o time ɗo hakkilo mbo sotti ko ni tan ɓe jiiri Mamadi ko neɗɗo tinniɗo guetaniɗo hoore makko e famille makko e kono ko hokko taki Mamadi waɗi ɗum ɗon laaɓani min hay aljamdu naɓe mbawama haalanta on ko ɗum ɗo ko kalanmi on ko ɗo ko ɗum woni aljamdu ko kalanmi on ko ɗo ko ɗum yaari on jarama jaaf musidɗo moɗon Jaye Diallo JJ News Groups ko ɗon keɓoyat kibar ɓurɗo o laaɓ so Allahu lamɗo jaaɓi si on kettima Teranga FM
Okay, I'll be on Moile. Wole kira sang kiwaro nyenti alama ka fone pukila tala nye. Alama la jang sone alama kata dame we fisa abodula ri nyini ko warta bake nimmola mo foninge sa kitala you know you can only say ngal kontan sangala rest in peace. But I can tell you there is a soul out there me alon ko wonene te nyina la nyen soul la mendata. You know, painful that you cannot just express it with words or you just cannot. Alama alay kafarni abu kairo. Funding Kelam obviously, come Iba Fokanyani was a very good guy. You know, Mole Melanka Dinatale, ala Signor Bea said the Aula Nukofana Mole Mari Melango, you know. Alaftala family little back, you know, but Alayat Ladunia Adantaten, so Mutataminola. So Ala Barakabaka program on Yimba Danajane. Inshallah, I'll come your way again. And again, you don't have caring along, you know, YouTube in general, views are not like, you know, they used to be. And that happens in almost every major competition if you keep track. So not just that we are not coming to watch, but also we are also not able to produce. Some of us, yeah, they don't care because they have a team. But somebody like me without a team, I have other commitments. The time that I have, I would rather, you know, on social media. Wala nam focus tabake comme Facebook la nyum watul kuno bake. So barala baraka bake. Tumando baro inshallah we'll catch up here again. Ala baraka. Thank you.